If you have ADHD, you cannot miss what I'm about to say. This video could be a bit longer than my usual, but please watch this till the end because this might completely change how you see ADHD. ADHD might not be a willpower problem, it might be an energy regulation problem. And that changes everything. Because when researchers look at ADHD using brain imaging, they're not asking, is this person motivated? They're looking at activity levels in specific brain regions. And what they often find is lower metabolic activity in areas responsible for focus, planning, and regulation. Now, metabolism sounds complicated, but it's not. Metabolism is simply how your body and your brain converts fuel into usable energy. Brain metabolism specifically refers to how your brain uses glucose and oxygen to power neurons and keep mental processes running. Your brain is extremely energy hungry. So when certain circuits show lower metabolic activity, it means those regions are getting less fuel, less available energy, not broken, not defective, but underpowered. Now think about stimulant medication like Adderall. It increases dopamine, and dopamine doesn't just affect mood, it influences how active and responsive certain brain circuits are. When dopamine levels rise, metabolic activity in those underactive regions increases, which means more energy, better signaling, improved regulation. So medication isn't giving you discipline, it's increasing available energy in the parts of your brain that manage focus and control. That's a biological intervention, not a personality correction. And here's the important part. Medication isn't the only thing that affects brain metabolism. Exercise increases blood flow and oxygen delivery. Sleep restores metabolic balance. Protein supports neurotransmitter production. Reducing ultra-processed foods can reduce inflammation that interferes with regulation. And no, this doesn't mean medication is bad. If it works for you, that's valid. But it does mean that ADHD isn't just about trying harder. It's about how well certain brain systems are fueled and regulated. So instead of asking, what's wrong with me? You might ask, is my brain getting what it needs to function properly? That is a radically different question. One leads to shame, the other leads to strategy. If you want ADHD explained clearly without shame, oversimplifying, or motivational fluff, check out Understand ADHD. It breaks down what's actually happening in your brain so you stop blaming yourself for something neurological. The link is in my bio if you wish to check out.